move on to looking at the footrests. We are looking to make sure they are structurally intact. So once again, no cracks in it, no bends.
This chair has swing-away footrests that are height adjustable.
We're looking to make sure the mechanisms that allow us to raise and lower the footrests are in working order. And finally, to make sure that the heel straps and the footplate itself are in good condition.
The swing-away mechanism is a simple lever that wraps around the chair tube. It has a spring that helps to lock it in place. Sometimes those springs wear out or break and have to be replaced, but these are working well.
I am also looking, once again, are there any cracks at all in the frame? Okay, there are no cracks in the tubing. That's a good thing.
The leg rest height mechanism on this chair is just 2 spring-loaded buttons. I'll push those in and move the rest up and down to make sure the buttons pop back into place.
Okay, those mechanisms work well. The heel straps, to make sure the person's foot doesn't slip off the back of it and then them running it over. The straps are in good shape and they are on tight. We'll probably need to tighten these down a little bit. And then the foot plate itself is the plastic, or in this case, metal, cracked? No.
On these swing-away leg rests, the foot plate usually hinges up.
Does it move out of the way for the person to be able to transfer in and out of the wheelchair?
These do that and seem to be in good working order.
So we will not have to do anything with those.